Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of The Perfect Heroine Wants to Possess Me, chapter 112. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Wei Xingyu. Right now, she already arrived from the company. She wanted to visit and see how the progress of Chishao. Well, she was really worried about her. When she came back, she was teary, and she was calling Jishao. Thank you. Well, definitely, she was really thankful. Was Jishao, she already awakened. She moved closer to her and rashly hugged her. Well, we can blame her. She was really worried about the condition of Jishao. Right now, the feeling is really overwhelming. That's why she is crying when she sees that Jishao is already awakened. And also Jishao, she seems to be crying at this moment. Maybe she got really afraid of. She was whispering her name, Wei Xingyu. Thankfully, seems everything is okay. Jishao said to her, did I hurt you? Because right now, Jishao, she was touching her glands. Well, probably, I think, even if my glands are disabled, I still can't help but be excited about your pheromones. Oh, this girl. She was really tricky, right? Wei Xingyu, right now, she was blushing. Jishao, you have to have confidence in our feelings. No matter what others says, as long as it's not me, don't need to be worried. Jishao said, of course, I have confidence, but what about Wei's? My money is just a drop in the bucket for you. Oh, this girl. She was really worried about she's being penniless. How could it be? Your water bill salary, but to me, it is a rainy day. Just I'm going out of the country next week. They need to discuss about it. Don't take too much peace of mind cooperations with An to prepare for the gland reverse surgery. Facing you said to her, but right now Chi Shao was really worried about her and said, how long are you staying there? Well, definitely, she really want to go with her. Right now, of course, it cannot be. But suddenly, there's someone knocking on the door. Sorry to interrupt. Afraid you two have no chance to enjoy a happy time with each other. It turns out it was An. Well, looking at her, she looks really serious. Well, An, maybe she got really angry because of what happened to Jisha, right? Right now, my sister from abroad has studied a new surgical plan. The success rate of surgery can be increased to 93%. An said to the two of them, well, it was good. There's a big chances of being recovered on the surgery. The surgical location is set in the country. Ising said that was great. Well, definitely. A few days later, they've been set out. Well, probably. Xiao, she must be afraid of this. She knows to herself what will happen to her in the future. Well, definitely, she really got worried. This place, it's really good. It's very close to the hospital and the courtiers. Yes, the temperature's also comfortable after the fireplace getting lit. Well, why suddenly Xiao? She becomes silent, and Wei Xingyu is asking her, what are you thinking? Right now, Xiao. It seems that she's really thinking something that it was so different. I always felt that the fire on that day was a little bit strange. Well, right now, she really got worried. The fire spread so fast that day. Like someone the ignition route has planned on site in advance. Well, definitely, she was really convinced right now that there's something wrong on that day. The house had been seized at the time and it was very difficult to get in and out, let alone planning and layout. It's all impossible for Uncle G himself to complete this task. Someone help him. Right now, looking at Wei Xingyu, she was thinking about Uncle Chen's involvement. Oh, definitely, on her heart, maybe Uncle Chen has been part of it. This is the token that my father used to provide me to prove his identity when he wanted to see me. I don't know if there's any clue about it, but right now, I will take a look. Michelle, she got the watch and want to see if there's something or hidden clue about that. Well, definitely, she really want to prove something. It's really a narrow road for the enemies. Can you let me go? Anyway, you and I met Menlin at a meeting. So right now, turns out the two of them are really talking to each other. Shut up, you're an ungrateful villain. Even if I eliminated you now, and then the 180, it's not enough to relieve my anger. I'm going to lock you up and punish you. Unexpectedly, Chi Xingyun left me evidence in advance. Oh, thanks to her brother. It's also bad people. I want you and everything you have to go to. With you and everything. You too, I think. I'm going back home early. You really can't bear it, right? That's why she want to go home. I have secretly sent someone to do an accident investigations and you will connect with Shaoli. Right now, Wei Xingyu. She was talking to Nanfeng. Wei Xingyu, come over. It's cold and close the door. Well, it turns out Chisha. She really want Wei Xingyu to calm down. Wei Xingyu said, I don't care about Uncle Chen Lin's identity. I will not tolerate what he did. Oh, she was really getting mad. If I take back the right, I will fight back as soon as I get my right back. It was like she is promising, well, definitely. You need to settle a good score with Uncle Chen. It's all my fault, it's just that you, her, right now, Jishao is suffering because of her. And she can do anything but just to get back on Uncle Chen's. Jishao will not be like this. How can I blame you? Well, definitely right now. The two of them are being exhausted. This is the destiny of my clans, Jishao said to herself. Well, she really knows to herself that what will happen in the future. That's why right now we sing you. You don't need to worry about it. You really need to comfort her. Well, the two of them are still talking. Since you know that it's cranky, why tell me sorry? Jishao said the way sing you. Well, definitely. They're getting closer to each other, especially during these times. I sing you. You have nothing to feel sorry for me. Well, right now, it was Jishao. She moved closer to Wei Xingyu. Instead, I want to thank you. It's really sweet. Especially, she was with Jishao. Now, Jishao said that you're willing to accept as me now. Now, she gently kissed her hand. Well, the story is getting better. Let's see what will happen next week. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me by a Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!